Imagine a world where the secret to youthful, radiant skin lies not in expensive creams or painful procedures, but in a natural, potent formula. Welcome to the world of Neotonics. Today, we dive into the heart of this revolutionary product, shedding light on its efficacy and safety. Neotonics, sold exclusively on its official website, harnesses the power of nature to rejuvenate your skin. A unique blend of 500 million units of extra-strong bacteria and 9 potent natural ingredients targets the root cause of skin aging, the intestinal microbiome. Researchers have discovered that our gut's health directly influences our skin's vitality. As we age and our digestive system slows down, cell renewal also decelerates, leading to visible signs of aging. Neotonics, packed in easy-to-consume gummies, supports healthy skin and efficient digestion, slowing down this aging process. This formula is all-natural, non-habit-forming, and free of stimulants, GMOs, and gluten. It has been embraced by many satisfied customers, whose glowing testimonials can be found on the official website. Remember, individual results may vary based on unique body reactions. However, Neotonics' confidence in their product is unwavering, offering a 60-day trial period. If you are not satisfied, they will refund your money, ensuring a risk-free experience. Join the Neotonics revolution today and unlock the secret to youthful, radiant skin. Remember, the link to the official website awaits you in the video description.